Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Siri settings on iPhone. So if at the end of this, you found this upon informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings, scroll down, locate Siri or Siri and search. This depends on your iPhone. Once you click on Siri, then here, you'll be able to adjust your Siri settings or Siri information. So first, you can click on language and then set a new language as your Siri language. And again, tap talk to Siri. If you want to use Siri or Hey Siri, or you want to use Hey Siri, or you want to turn off Siri, just select your options here. However, if you want to press the side button to wake Siri on your iPhone, just like this, make sure you turn on press side button for Siri. And if you want to use Siri on lock screen, if your iPhone screen is locked and you want to say, Hey Siri, for Siri to respond, just make sure you click on Allow Siri when locked and turn on this feature. Then type in your iPhone passcode to enable the feature. You can also change your Siri voice from American to Australian to British, Indian, Irish, and South African. And you have different voices to change here. And then again, on the Siri settings page, you can use Siri to hang up call by going to call hang up. And then if this is disabled in your own case, just set this to enable it. And each time you have an incoming call on your iPhone and you want to hang up the call, you just need to say, Hey Siri, hang up. And this is going to hang up the call using Siri voice. You can also come to announce calls. If you want to stop Siri from announcing all your incoming calls on your iPhone, just click on announce calls and set this to never. And then again, you can message with Siri. You can say Siri and dictation history. If you want to delete Siri and dictation history, just come here and click on delete Siri and dictation history. Then the disadvantage of this is Siri no longer recognize your voice without connecting to the internet. And that is the basic things you need to put up when you're talking about Siri settings. So that's exactly how to change Siri settings on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.